Alaya started to take shape like around the 9th of June, 2021, when we heard about the start of the COVID cases and the situation of cancer patients in India, so and specifically in Lucknow.
So, just like Anya said, we would love it if anyone would come and connect with us and lend their hand so we can help the people in need. Also, we have our upcoming drive coming up, so we'll be around the 20th and the 21st of August.
Their laughter will make your heart melt. Their coping strength will make an adult cry. If you ever see a child fight cancer, it will change your life forever. What is even more touchy and heartwarming is to see two young girls, Anya Garg and Punya Chandra. Both have decided to support and bring relief to the children battling the deadly disease called cancer. Their initiative, Lavenders in February, is a non-profit charity organization. आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, we're so glad to be here. Thank you.
Lavenders in February is a non-profit charity endeavor to raise funds through donations for such children all around Lucknow, and now we are heading to the country. Coming to you, Anya, talk us through brand Anya Garg.
My name is Anya Garg, and I am the co-founder of Lavenders in February, along with Panya. So, just to tell you a little bit about myself, I am a mental health advocate, and I have tried to do as much as I can to the society by starting fundraisers with an organization, with an entire platform called Fuel a Dream, where we helped at least 15 patients with cataract surgery. Along with that, I wish to pursue law in the future, and I think that starting to help from the stage till the time I grow, I think that'll be amazing. Basically, the journey of LIF started around the 9th of June, and like we realized the stark situation of cancer patients in Lucknow. And like, so the thing was that Pearl and I, one day we were surfing the internet because we felt so helpless. And we understood the entire situation. We were like, you know what, why don't we look into what the medical patients are going through besides people who are undergoing COVID? So we came across basically this. So why we started at LIF is because I think both of us had the urge to help people, and we sitting at home as privileged individuals felt really helpless as well. So this is how this came about, and like you told us, like you told everyone, Lavenders in February came about as a non-charity endeavor that provides aid to poverty-stricken cancer sufferers all around Lucknow.
Hi, I'm Punya Chandra. I'm again the co-founder of Lavenders in February along with Anya. Basically, Lavenders in February, it started because of Anya and I's zeal to help people in need. It was clear in both of our minds that we wanted to make a change in society, even if it was a small one. Thus, Lavenders in February came about. Yeah. I don't think I'm a brand as such. I just really want to help people and make a change in any way that I can, even if it's a small one or a big one. I am also a mental health advocate along with Anya. I want to make mental health care more accessible to people.
Now, this is totally awesome and very encouraging for a lot of girls, young kids, young budding entrepreneurs and CEOs who want to do so much for the society, becoming social entrepreneurs. What is the exact mission, vision behind this initiative, and what inspired you both to start with this?
Our main mission, even though as cliche as it sounds, is to help as many people as we can. I think we've mentioned this a lot of times as well, because I think we both realize that no act of kindness, no matter how small it is, ever goes wasted. And that is our entire mission. And along with that, we think that networking plays a major role, and we want to connect with as many brands just like us, and non-profit entities, and I think bigger medical brands as like companies as well, to interact with us so that together as a community, hand by hand, we can start. And I think that is one mission which we want to accomplish.
So, due to the rise of the ongoing pandemic, we felt helpless looking at at the lifestyle of underprivileged individuals, especially those who were suffering from medical issues. We saw that their lifestyle was like downgrading. So, as we delved deeper into understanding what we can do to help, this steep rise of cancer treatment expenses, it came as a shock to us. So we realized that due to the lack of major financial aid, the families of the patients are given space to live in hospitals, and unfortunately, they don't have the means to afford basic lifestyle resources. So this made us deeply empathize with the patients, and hence this is how Lavenders in February started. So our mission was to help as many people we can from the city of Lucknow, and getting more and more people to join us.
So much of clarity at that age. This shows the parenting, this shows the grooming, and this shows the schooling. Hats off to the teachers and the parents. This is totally superb. Okay, Anya, next question to you. Tell us about its recent achievements and success stories, and later on, Punya will add to this.
So I think I just want to say that our greatest achievement yet has been being able to serve to these people. I think seeing the smile on the faces of these children has been our biggest motivation as well to move forward, and has been our biggest achievement as well.
So basically, our first drive, it happened on the 11th and 12th of July, and we were able to collect more than 15 donation boxes with books, apparels, toiletries, groceries, and so much more. And gaining recognition thus far by people such as you and the Papa Kids magazine is only an added achievement, which also helps us go way big.
And we are sure that a lot of recognition is coming your way, both of you. This is totally excellent. Let's talk about its outreach.
Firstly, I would like to actually give recognition to this individual who is famously known as Foodman in Lucknow, Mr. Vishal Singh, who has been tirelessly working to serve underprivileged children with small food stalls all around Lucknow. So basically, my mother was contacted by him, and he was actually one of the first people who told us all about the situation of these children. So we were quick to connect with them, and that is how we coordinated our entire first drive. And like half of our donations went to Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. And just to give you a little bit of an overview, there are also a lot of cancer children in King George's Medical College. So, in our future endeavor, we hope to actually serve there as well. Along with this, we also got to know about a foundation known as Helping Hands, which we were connected again by our parents, which is basically an affiliation of adults helping people with different medical problems. So currently, we're working on two cases. We got a call from them and they told us all about the situation of a child, of two children suffering from different types of cancers, and say they're underprivileged. So we're trying to gain funds.
Like Anya said, we're having our very first fundraiser of a child who's suffering from cancer. Furthermore, though through Helping Hands, we were also connected to Varsha Foundation, which again is an NGO, which provides a home for underprivileged cancer patients who have been discharged from hospitals, and they stay in those homes. So half of our donations of our first drive was given to these homes, and we'll further give our donations to these homes in our upcoming drives. Other than this, we have a website coming up, which will be our official platform of Lavenders in February. Not only will this help us network, it will help us in community building, which will help us to connect the people on a broader level.
To both of you, there are many such initiatives, all around. People are helping, raising funds. I want you both to tell us the USP of Lavenders in February.
Honestly, I'll be actually very honest with you. I think that we are just like all the other organizations which exist in Lucknow, trying to help as many people as we can. All right. But I think what we believe would be our USP is that we have all started young. All right. And that is like I think that starting young is what we believe. It's like we connect more with these children and we want to help people our age even more because I think that we see a brighter future for them as well. The passion which we have in helping these kids, which make us like empathize as well with such children. I think that is what our USP is.
We may have started with a small strength of two of us, and we intend to make it bigger. Basically, as Anya said, what really drives Lift is the passion and the compassion in us with what we use to help others, and that's what we believe is our USP.
So this is totally beautiful and very, very touchy. Okay, Anya, your special message to the community and brands.
I think the only thing which I would and which Pearl would actually like to ask for is for bigger medical corporations, affluent individuals of the society, HNIs, philanthropists, and NGOs to connect further and cultivate a relationship with us so that I think hand in hand we'll be able to work together in making a significant impact and further make LIF accomplish our mission. I think that is what our message is. And again, to people right now who are like us and are looking forward to do as much as they can to help join us, I think that would be the biggest gift to us and to the children who are suffering from these type of diseases.
Okay. So, just like Anya said, we would love it if anyone would come and connect with us and lend their hand so we can help the people in need. Also, we have our upcoming drive coming up. This will be around the 20th and the 21st of August. And we know that you have it in you, the same compassion and the passion to help the marginalized or the needy. So we request you to come forward and donate generously for the cause, or you may simply get in touch with us, and together we can all make a big change to help the world.
So, girls, tell to the world, how do people reach out to you guys in case they want to donate?
If you want to reach out to us, we have our Instagram page, our Facebook page, to which you can connect with us, and of course our Gmail. To give you to guide you through our process of how you send us donations currently, is through joining WhatsApp groups, which you will be sent along with the message, and we will coordinate through pickup vans possibly, or through your transport or Swiggy Genie, and you guys can donate through that way.
Our WhatsApp groups you can access those WhatsApp groups through the forms that are in our Instagram bio, our Facebook bio, and we also have a Twitter page.
We are also teaming up with Fuel Tree, where we will be collecting funds, and I think we're not new to the entire funding process, and you can give in your card details or through Paytm.
Remember, it's 2021. Your battle is my battle. We fight it together. We are helping these young warriors raise funds for their brilliant mission. Please join hands. Their details are available on the feed. आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत thanks.
Thank you so much for having us.